Hi guys, welcome to today's video. We are going to talk about AAC and cooking. And so for today's cooking activity, we will be putting together and making some s'mores. So first let's talk about what we need to make s'mores. We need graham crackers. We need chocolate. We need marshmallows. Yeah. We need sticks, or you can have like hot dog sticks like we've got. And we also need a fire to roast our marshmallows. What is the first thing that we're gonna do? We are going to put our marshmallows on the sticks and we will go cook them over the fire. All right, let's put the marshmallows on the stick. Very nice. Now we are going to go cook them over the fire. Our marshmallows are over the fire. Look, they are cooking. We don't touch. It's hot. Don't touch. We just look. Okay, look, they are all done. Now we get to put them on our graham cracker. We're going to slide it off. And we made a s'more. Let's do our other one. And slide it off. We made another s'more. We made s'mores with graham crackers, chocolate, and marshmallows. I bet they taste, yeah, I bet they taste good. We can eat them now. I was providing aided language input for all of those steps and kind of narrating the whole process to making a s'more using the Saltillo board, the 96 location word power vocabulary. As you saw, we can do questions, asking what's next. Verbs with the put, the make, we need. We're going to go to the fire. We're going to eat them now. You can do commenting with that was really cool, it tasted good, or if they thought it tasted bad, that it makes them feel happy when they get to eat s'mores and chocolate. Don't forget to use your pronouns with you, it, and I especially. And then you can use the prepositions we took. Yeah, that was our surprise for today, wasn't it? We slid the marshmallows off. We put them on the stick. All right, so there's, yeah. That was today's AAC cooking activity, making s'mores. Thanks for watching.